Often when I speak to someone like yourself, the person who takes care of office cleanliness and hygiene, they usually tell me that they are frustrated with inconsistency of cleaning standards, they're worried about poor cleaning practices, and also they are annoyed with poor communication. And I don't suppose you experience any of those? If you do experience any of those and you think it makes sense for us to connect, feel free to put in an online request or give us a call. Typically, we arrange a 10 minutes conversation to determine if we are able to assist you or not. We do understand that we are not for everyone, but at the end of that conversation, we'll decide that together. If you'd like to proceed, we'll set a time for a site visit, and typically we'll provide you a quotation within the next 24 to 48 hours. So for more information, feel free to visit our website or give us a call.